Okay, it's 2001 Malibu. The front CV axles are noisy, so I'm going to need to replace it. Replace both sides. And to start off with, you take your tire off, of course. And you're going to need a 35 millimeter deep well socket to loosen that big axle nut. And then also over here, you've got two 21 millimeter nuts that need to come off on the shock absorber tower. Okay, loosen the nuts, but leave them on the end to use that to protect the threads. Go ahead and pound it with a hammer. See those coming out nicely. Okay, once you got those two bolts out, you can see it moves easily. Pulls it out. We're going to want to take this big axle nut off, and we'll just keep wiggling things. Okay, I'm going to try and horse it around here, see if I can't get it out. I think we want to get the drum off, the rotor off. There, we're driving it back. I'm going to take this off now all the way. You actually don't need to care too much about the threads because replacing this axle anyway. Got a brake line here that matters. Don't stress that too much. Moving that. Yeah, I don't want to stress this brake line yet. I can move it around there, and that way maybe I can drive it backwards. Kind of move it. Keep moving it out of the way. There. I think it's out. I'm stressing that brake line a little bit too much. Okay, I'm just going to horse this and get it out. I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, you're going to need to pry the axle shaft out. And I use this small crowbar here. Here, I put it there. And okay, so I came in from underneath and just pried. I put it there and I caught it in there on the flange and then hit it with a hammer on the bottom to get some leverage, and you can see it comes out pretty easily. Right there, it comes out pretty easily. I just pried there on the side of it. the small bar. Okay. Okay, here's the new axle shaft. Looks like the old one. You need to compare and make sure you got the right part. But I'm going to grease right here inside. Okay, I've got 3 mounting bolts in the back of the knuckle in. Now I've got to try and put the CV axle in through the wheel bearing, and you have to kind of bend it around up there, and it does flex quite a bit, and it seems like it won't go, but if you just keep working on it, it'll barely clear the edge of the knuckle housing and hopefully go inside the new wheel bearing. It's splined there, so the splines have to match with the splines inside the wheel bearing.